Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce the special Android head unit for Kia Optima 2014 to 2015 year. Okay, here is box. Let me open the box. Android 8.0 oreo system. Okay, you can check. Here is a head unit. Okay, let me show the harness. You can check this special harness for Kia Optima. There are two CAN bus box. You can check this AMP controller, SPD, RF amplifier. Okay, come with USB cable. This audio cable and camera input. Okay, let me show this connector. Not clear, but I will make the picture later. Can Kia power cable and this connector. Okay. This is a remote controller, GPS antenna, external microphone, video cable, AUX cable, camera in, audio cable. Audio cable, you can check the video out 1. This is video out 2, video out 1, and audio for front and rear, left and right. This subwoofer. Okay, this is USB cable with and external microphone. 2 USB cable. Okay, let me show the video or head unit. This is special head unit. You can check. Let me open plastic. This is driving engine. Okay, you can check. This take out the two screw before installing, because this is fix the DVD player. You can check the side. Okay, this side. And the back of head unit. This is radio, antenna input, Wi-Fi antenna, GPS, this power cable, external connector. Okay. Let me power the header unit with 12 voltage. Okay, the header unit will be started. Special for Kia Optima. You can take out this screen protector before using. Okay, and this is UI interface. Very fast. You can install wallpaper. Back button. Set the wallpaper. Home screen. This is SD card, GPS SD card and SD card. You mute band. This volume control. Okay, let me show settings, system, but motion. You can check the PX5 Octa Core PX5 Octa Core rack chip. Android version is 8.0. This oreo. Okay, that means you can change this button color. You can change the inside car elements. You can choose blue or gray, blue, orange, yellow, and can adjust any color. Okay, thank you.